Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me LG Q70 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this phone. So firstly, open the control panel and let's start with disabling unused features, unnecessary services. So firstly, if you are using Wi-Fi right now and not using mobile network, just disable mobile network. If you are using mobile network right now but Wi-Fi is enabled, just disable Wi-Fi, because if you are using a necessary service, this service is reducing your battery power, because it will search constantly for the servers, for the networks. For example, location services too, so disable location services, because location services looking for GPRS signal in the background. So if you are not using maps right now, just disable location services. Great. And of course, you need to reduce your brightness. Disable auto mode. Disable auto brightness mode and just reduce your brightness, and great. And the last step you can do to improve your battery life is to enable battery saver mode. So open battery saver, and here you have extended mode. With extended mode, vibration will be disabled, background activity and data restricted, and may result in some notification and updates not showing, okay, and max brightness 90%, but you can enable max battery saver mode. In this mode, vibration will disable too, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will disabled, location disabled while screen is off. It's really good feature. Night mode is enabled, background activity and data restricted, max brightness 80%, and frame rate reduced. So I suggest to try this mode. This mode can improve your battery life. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.